End of the road.
Yeah, look at this.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Oop, now too much. Shit.
I'll turn you.
See? I don't need a 360. I got friends with 360s.
Guaranteed to get what you need, and that's what you want. What you want. Sometimes I am like a wave on the sea. That's when I feel like I'm totally free.
Good morning, everybody. It's a beautiful February morning. This is Weathersfield Cove. I'm here with Mr. Jim Dopp and Addison from the Three Bells fishing team. We're gonna see if we can find something. I've never fished this cove before, but I have heard it's pretty decent. Where we wanted to go is still full of ice, so we settled for Plan B. This is a small cove off the Connecticut River, so we should find something. Jim's doing circles, testing out the maneuverability of the 360. I could do that too.
That's pretty awesome.
Little update. Addison has caught one random white perch. Jim and myself have caught nothing. Water temperature is 38 degrees. Air temperature is probably 25, maybe 30. But the sun's out, which makes it a little bit bearable. And yeah, that's it so far. Guides are freezing up a little bit, which is always interesting. But that's it so far. All right, everybody, we got to change of venue. That cove was absolutely horrible. Between the three of us, one little white perch was caught. Jim saved the earth with a bag, and that was all we took out of that cove. So we're on another location on the Connecticut River. Some may know where it is, some may not. But this is should be a highly productive place. Should be. We'll see. A little backwater exploring. Huh. End of the road.
Yeah, look at this.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Oop, now too much. Shit.
I'll turn you.
See? I don't need a 360. I got friends with 360s.
everywhere.
Off-roading in a Hobie. Well, valiant effort, but nothing. So I'm going to end this video with a little cooking part of a catch and cook. Hope you enjoy fish tacos. All right, everybody. So today did not pan out like we had hoped. So we're going to do a little cook part of a catch and cook. Caught some porgies, scaup, whatever you want to call them, last summer, and it's been in my freezer. So tonight we're going to do some fish tacos. So I hope you enjoy it. All right, so for the ingredients, I'm not exactly sure how this all goes together, but we're going to wing this. Salt and pepper. We got some red pepper. We got some garlic powder. Chili powder. Paprika. And cumin. Am I saying that right?
Yes.
Cumin.
Cumin.
Virgin oil, or extra virgin olive oil. And some sour cream. We got lettuce, cheese, some salsa. We got hard and soft taco shells. We got the fish, radishes, scallions.
Which is flour and white corn.
Flour and white corn. That's important, I guess. Scallions, right?
Scallions.
We got scallions, and then some lime, and then beer and a margarita. Because it's tacos. Gotta have margarita. So, I'm not exactly sure how this all goes together, but we're gonna do this. I think we're gonna make a mixture, right?
We are.
We make a mixture, and then we put the fish in the mixture, and then cook the fish.
Correct.
Okay. I'm going to be a chef by the end of this. Alright, so here we're going to do the mixture first.
First thing we need is chili powder.
Chili powder, chili powder, chili powder, chili powder, chili powder.
Thank you.
Next,
Next we'll need garlic powder and paprika. Ground cumin and red pepper flakes.
okay. So we obviously have a new bottle.
We do.
Yep, and new bottle, new ingredients.
Fresh.
Well, it's in a jar, it can't be that fresh.
Well, it's a powder, but we need a lot of it, so it's asking for 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of the garlic powder.
Another new bottle.
Well, when you cook with it, you run out, and eventually you have to restock.
That's why I go to restaurants. Alright, next is the...
No, I'm still on the first 4 ingredients, honey.
Yeah, but no,
Here,
I'm
put
saying the
these
next
over.
ingredient is...
Well, I've told you, the chili powder,
Yeah,
the
throw it right
garlic powder we just did, and now we're going to do the
Paprika,
paprika,
right there.
and the cumin, and then the red peppers.
Well, how much of paprika?
For the paprika, we're using 2
2
tablespoons
tablespoons.
of paprika. So we've used 2 tablespoons of the chili powder, 2 tablespoons of the garlic powder, and now we're using 2 tablespoons of the paprika. So a lot of pepper going in here. It's going to be very flavorful.
This is probably a good time for me to tell you I'm allergic to pepper.
Oh, you're funny.
No, I'm not.
Good thing, because it's going to be like all good.
Red pepper?
Ground cumin first, but we're only going to do 1 tablespoon of the ground cumin.
I have no idea what that is.
Just another spice.
Next is red pepper flakes. Yes, red pepper flakes.
And there we're only using a teaspoon of red pepper flakes.
Yeah. Now we just got to mix it up and set it aside. All right, so the next step, it says to season the fish with salt and pepper. And now we mix it in the mixture. Alright, I'm going to take time right now and explain something here. There was another ingredients that we chose not to do. I just got to look for it here on our phone here. We chose not to do, it says 2 chipotle chilies. We chose not to do that because we're both not heat people. We like heat weather, just not heat in our mouths. So we both don't like breathing fire. So we chose to omit that, but that is something that you can add in if you so choose. So the next step after that is to, I believe, cook the tortillas, correct?
Yes. So the tortillas, we're going to cook the tortillas in a large skillet, and then we're going to stack them on aluminum foil and wrap the foil around the tortillas and place them in the oven to keep them warm.
All right, let's get to it. All right, so we have our tortillas cooked. Fire alarm went off, smoke everywhere. Good times. Don't tell me to do something with a stove because I will burn it. Anyway, so we have several soft tortillas wrapped. We got some hard ones. We're going to put them in the oven to keep warm. We're going to wait a little bit so we don't overcook everything because that's what I do. So she's over here doing radishes and lime and scallions. They come into play later on, some way or shape or form. I'm not exactly sure. Our fish is seasoned, and we have lettuce, salsa, and cheese in the waiting for when we actually put the tacos together. Okay, so we turn the heat down on the pan. We're going to add some oil. Then we're going to cook the scallions until they're almost burnt, basically. I think is what it said. Mm-hmm. Let me get the terminology correct here. Cook these, tossing occasionally until they're about charred. Then remove and set aside. Everything is set aside on this recipe. This is very odd.
I don't know what to tell you.
So what am I stirring with? I'm going to burn these too, baby.
You're going to burn it?
Absolutely.
This is the fish, right?
No, it's the scallions.
Oh, the scallions.
We're going to do the scallions.
Okay, let me get you a spatula.
All right, I'm grabbing scallions. I'm going to cook these green straw-like things. They're green straws. Green straws.
Cook them.
I'm cooking green straws. Alrighty then. Just draw them in?
Yes.
Draw them in. Ooh. I need a thingy.
Spatula. Coming up.
I'm cooking green straws, people. And now we're going to add the fish. And I'm going to stand aside and let the professional go. Now this recipe will work obviously with really any kind of fish. We're using scup, porgies, whatever you want to call them, just because they're a smaller fish and you really don't get a ton of meat on them. So chopping them up and adding them with everything else in tacos is perfect. It's about 4 minutes per side with the fish. You gonna try it?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it.
She's trying it first.
I'm trying first. It's gonna be crunchy.
She's my guinea pig.
Mm-hmm.
You good?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. Forgive me if I make a mess. Not too sure I got any fish in that bite, but
You'll taste it.
yeah, it's hot.
You can taste all that pepper. It's not bad though. It's pretty good.
Oh yeah. Now I got it. That's pretty good.
It's zesty.
There's definitely pepper in there. Absolutely no question about that. If you're not a big pepper person, I would maybe go lighter on the amount. I know for myself, I would definitely go lighter on the amounts next time. It's very peppery.
It's zesty. It's got flavor.
Black Pond. Although it's not Black Pond in the Black Pond. Sorry guys. Yeah, it is very, very good fish. It's just very peppery. But yeah, no, it's very good. This is my first time eating fish tacos.
And all these different ingredients, you can change it up for however you like it. We were just trying it based on the recipe. I've never had radishes with my tacos before. So
yeah, it's a little strange.
And it's pretty different in a white corn crunchy taco shell. Definitely noisy.
I believe there's a bazillion different recipes for fish tacos, and you can really dummy it down and just fry some fish and throw it in a taco with some cheese and lettuce, and salsa. I mean, realistically, that's all you really need to do. It is good. Try it if you like it, and if you have a recipe that you want to share, comment below with it.
Send it along.
If you want me to try a recipe, send it. I'm game. I mean, I got a good cook here, so I just got to catch the damn fish. So, but anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Hopefully next time I go out, I will catch fish, and I won't have to do a catch and cook. But we're going to do more of these in the future as I catch fish.
We do enjoy them.
I do. I enjoy the catching. She likes the eating, so it works. So hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for hanging. Like and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you out there.